Business owners, family, and friends, what's the best way to make an educated decision? That's what we're going to talk about today on episode 496 on the September 30th of our 333. Business owners, solopreneurs, in 2022, in this post Trump era, everybody lies. Everything online can be a lie. You can have the craziest belief system that the world is flat. And believe it or not, you can find enough information on the internet to back it up. So, how do we make educated decisions in an era where there's nothing but blatant lies and propaganda sent to us constantly? The answer to that is research. Today, we're going to talk about doing the research, finding things out in a non emotional state, and then making factual decisions. Here's the thing, you have got to make tons of educated decisions: what school to go to for your kids, who political party to support, causes, issues, to hire this person, to fire this person. You're going to have to do some hard research on a lot of that. You can't take hearsay, you can't take emotions involved. Business tip number one, you just got to do it. Check out, get the facts yourself. Do your own research. Don't believe something just because someone told you it's that way. Find out if it is factually true. Takes a little bit of time, but you can do it. Business tip number two is don't have any emotional options or attachments to this. Don't have a preconceived idea that this employee is awesome. Take into consideration, even though you may hire that person, even though you may like that person, that you will examine the facts and determine whether to be true, right? You may have this great product and service and you think it's going to go to market, but do your research. Don't have emotional attachments to the research options. Business tip number three, once you have all of this, you yourself can make a factual decision. Too many times we make decisions on hearsay and on whatever is going on, whatever's popular, our own personal feelings. But if you will do your research and do it in this manner, you can make highly educated factual decisions. And this works in everything, including business, down to personal things. If this was my last lecture series, if I was on my deathbed, this would be an issue I'd want to impart to my kids, to my family, and to my friends. Take time to do research. That's what I'm learning today. Anything I learn, I throw the fence to you because I want you guys to be awesome. Do your research. Now go back to sleep.